Do you know that what is critical to a mold is its hardness? However, if the mold steel is too hard, it is difficult for machining, and EDM, electrical discharge machining, will make the surface rougher. Nevertheless, if we use precision grinding, we could meet the high precision demand. Hence, we would like to proudly say that CHEMEX has contributed to the industry of Taiwan in terms of precision mold. CHEMEX was founded in 1978, and in 1981 the Tainan subsidiary was established. We have been the sole agent of precision grinding technology in the UK since 1978. Our precision grinding equipment has leveled up the industry standard for Taiwan. For example, the connectors that Foxconn produces will need this equipment. As for embedding cassettes, what is most difficult is to have 0.25 millimeter pore size. And we applied our precision grinding techniques to meet it. Nowadays, we export the embedding cassettes to well-known labs and industry leaders. Our embedding cassettes are considered premium products to the industry, as the 0.25 millimeter pore size can secure the smallest specimens, eliminating the need for biopsy bags and sponges. While we export 100% of the tissue embedding parts, we are thinking to benefit our country by donating some of our products. Therefore, the Formosa Republican Association held a healthcare seminar on October 3, 2020 in Taipei, and CHEMEX has announced we will donate 300,000 pieces of embedding cassettes to the Ministry of Health and Welfare, accepted by Minister Chen Shizhong. We hope to advance cancer diagnostics and improve lives in Taiwan. Our second department is brake pads and brake lining turnkey. Via my experience in Suitong Corporation as factory and sales manager, I united my ex-colleagues to provide a one-stop turnkey solution and successfully export to countries such as Russia, Turkmenistan, Argentina, Mexico, and even Japan.